Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on application of integration. This one is related to area of the surface of revolution. So it says for x is equal to cos t and y is equal to 5 plus sin t, a circle with center 0,5 is revolved around the x-axis producing a donut find its surface area. So we know that the surface area is given as surface area is equal to integration of 2 pi y ds when the revolution is about x-axis, right? Or else it would have been 2 pi x ds when the revolution will be about y-axis. So let's see what is this. This is x and this is y, or otherwise you can take it into the form of polar graph also. So it says you can clearly see that this is an equation for a circle with radius 0,5 and with the center at 0,5 and radius equal to 1, right? The radius will be equal to 1. So let's say if this is this 0,5, then probably this is that circle. Now they say it is revolved around the x-axis. That means if you just imagine if you tie a thread at the knot at this point and another knot at this point, so this is going to be obviously length of 5, and let's say this is a ring. In that case this ring will be rotated about the x-axis. So obviously if you form it in this manner, let's say this is, then like looking it from another angle, you'll get a structure like this. This is the structure which you will get considering this being 5, this, right? And obviously this is that circle which we have made it here. So this will be a donut shape, and the surface area, as we said, it is going to be 2 pi y ds, and in this case we also know that ds is nothing but under root of dx square plus dy square. So from here we can see that x is equal to cos of t, where we can write dx is equal to minus sin t dt, and dy is equal to, obviously this 5 is a constant, plus sin t, so sin t will give cos t dt. So in that case this is going to be under root of, I can take dt common, so it will become cos square t plus minus of sin t ka square will be sin square t dt. So this becomes simply dt. And what will be the limits for t? This will be from 0 to 2 pi, right? 0 to 2 pi, because this t forming a circle, this t has to rotate for 0 to 2 pi, right? So that's it. Now we have to just find the values. So this surface area will be integration of 2 pi, y is given as 5 sine t into dt from 0 to 2 pi, right? Now clearly when you integrate this sine t term for 0 to 2 pi, you will get it 0. So the only term left is 2 pi into 5. So this is 10 pi, and this integration of dt will be t from 0 to 2 pi, and this becomes 20 pi square. We are not integrating sine t here because the overall integration from 0 to 2 pi will be 0. That's it. So this is the area. This is 20 pi square. 10 pi into 2 pi will be 20 pi square.